enjoy the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, now is the time to do so. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, now is the time to do so. Yeah. Hope you're enjoying this video. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this Kenyatta Avenue? Yeah. Is it beautiful, awesome, on a scale of 1 to 5? 5 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. How can you rate it, guys? Yeah, that's it. So ahead is 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝐵𝒀. 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝐵 is an Indian, 𝑚𝑏𝒀 is heaven. So can we say a heaven, Indian heaven? Okay, so those are our heroes. Our heroes. Yeah. tell me about the city, guys. How do you say our Nairobi city? So you can see the statue. Yeah, this is to commemorate the African soldiers who fought for independence, in East Africa. That is between the year 1914 to 1918. So say if you fight for your country, even if you die, your sons will remember your name. Yeah. So these are African soldiers. Okay. Yeah. Look at how beautiful Nairobi County is. Yeah, you can see Nairobi City County. Hi, you have appeared in my video. Yeah, so look, that's beautiful city is. Hope you like the video, guys. Yeah, hope like the video. Konyagi, people of 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑵𝒀, let's say 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑵𝒀, Sunlam landscape. So this landscaping was done by Sunlam, courtesy of Nairobi County government. It's done by 𝑭𝐼𝐵𝑚𝑯, but I think the renovation is being done by NMS General Mbadi. Yeah, the military is doing it, it's delivering it. So guys, this is the end of our video. Yeah, hope you really enjoyed our video. So if the video you like, it was according to expectation, guys, can you consider giving me a like and subscribe if you haven't. For those returning or reach to this time, say thank you. I'll see you next time. Welcome to Kenyatta Avenue.